how annoying that can be. Out of the numerous skin types, dry skin is easily the most problematic. It needs constant and regular moisturizing. It is time to stop wandering the aisles at the beauty stores, as we have compiled the best home remedies that will make your dry skin go away. Today's video will discuss about best face cream for dry skin in summer. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Jojoba Oil Therapy. You will need 3 cups of warm water, washcloth, half teaspoon jojoba oil. What you have to do: soak the washcloth in warm water and place it over your face. Keep the washcloth on for 5 to 7 minutes and then remove it. Massage jojoba oil into your skin using gentle circular motion. Keep at it for about 10 minutes. Let the oil soak in and then wipe off the excess oil with the washcloth. How often you should do this? This should be done once or twice a week. Number 2. Olive oil massage. You will need 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 to 2 drops lavender essential oil. What you have to do: mix the lavender oil and olive oil. Massage the concoction into your skin and wipe off the excess oil with a washcloth. Alternatively, you may use a small amount of it as a leave-in moisturizer. How often should you do this? Olive oil lavender oil combination can take the place of your regular moisturizer and can be used daily. Number 3. Sour cream face mask. You will need 2 teaspoons sour cream, 3 tablespoons corn flour. What you have to do: add the sour cream to the corn flour to make a paste. Cleanse your face and apply the mask. Keep it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water. How often should you do this? You may use this homemade mask for dry skin on alternate days. Have you tried these remedies for dry skin in summer? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.